So you might be in a situation where your Snapchat story is just not deleting. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, maybe you posted a story on your Snapchat, and for some reason, that story is just not deleting no matter what you do. So to post a story, you basically just went through and posted a story like this. But as you can see, if I went through and if I wanted to delete a story, all I would have to do is tap on my profile icon right up here, and you should be able to see your particular story that comes up right here. Now, to delete a story, you want to go ahead and basically tap on that story like this, and you should be able to find a little remove button or a little delete button somewhere. So you can see at the bottom right, there's a little delete button. Tap on that delete button right there, and you're going to basically be able to click on delete snap. Now, if that delete snap button doesn't show up, or if it still shows you that it's right there, keep in mind that it may take a second or two for it to delete. So you can just refresh the panel. You can just hop out of here and just go back into it like so. And then you should be able to see that that story is no longer there. Now, if you're doing that and that story is still not deleting, you want to double check your internet connection. So go inside of your internet connection settings. So click on Wi-Fi and go ahead and delete, go ahead and, reconfigure your network. So go ahead and see if you can connect to a better network, or just get off Wi-Fi and go on cell network and see if that ends up fixing the problem. Go back into Snapchat and then just see if that ends up fixing it. Probably for a lot of you that may end up fixing it, and that's probably all you're going to have to do. Now, if that still doesn't work, what you can try doing is going into your Snapchat, application inside of your app store. So go inside of your app store right here, and go ahead and search up Snapchat as you normally would. So you can just search for it like this. Go ahead and open up Snapchat and see if you can update that application. For a lot of you, if you just update Snapchat, that's probably all you're going to have to do to fix the problem, and that might end up fixing it. If that still doesn't work, you may want to make your way over to a website like downdetector.com. These types of websites will basically show you what's up and what's down in terms of their servers. And if Snapchat's on here, if it's on the top couple, top 2 or 3, that might mean Snapchat is down, and you're just going to have to wait it out until they fix that problem. So that pretty much covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.